upheld Michigan's ban on gay marriage.
Fox 17's political reporter Paul Cicchini joins us now to discuss what this means for our state and 3 other states that are impacted by this appeals ruling.
It's Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee. And to say the very least, this is really a shocking ruling. And that's in large part because federal courts all across the country have already ruled on this and said that gay marriage bans are unconstitutional. So what this ruling by the U.S. Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals out of Cincinnati is effectively saying is that Michigan's ban on gay marriage is constitutional. Now, there obviously is a long opinion to go through. And I was in an overflow courtroom in Cincinnati when this Michigan's case in particular, was heard. And there certainly was disagreement among the judges on the bench about whether the ban was constitutional or not.
So the Supreme Court refused to hear other arguments in other states recently, which led those states to go ahead and legalize it again, in some sense.
Well, the Supreme Court, a lot of people called the Supreme Court's decision to not hear the case as a no decision. But what that did was it allowed all of these federal appeals court rulings that said, that agreed that these bans were unconstitutional, to make that essentially the law of the land. Now the Supreme Court is all but forced to hear this issue, something that obviously they avoided as long as the courts reached a consensus. They have not. So we're going to, there's nothing they can do right now, or they're going to do right now, but in their next term, it's likely this case will make its way in front of them.
It certainly caught a lot of people off guard, a lot of catching up to do on this one.
Yeah, it's something that we're going to be working on. I'm sure we'll have more at 6 and 10 and 11.
All right, thanks, Paul.
Paul, thanks. A shooting in broad daylight near downtown Grand Rapids.